Hi, Katherine Geoghegan here, talking to you from my studio in Stratham in County Kildare. I want to wish Katherine and all the artists the very, very best of luck with the online exhibition. What a wonderful idea. Katherine, you're great at innovating in these difficult times. We all have to think outside the box, and I myself have had an exhibition postponed and cut short twice, so you have my sympathies. But onwards and upwards, we'll find ways around these problems, and before long we'll all be able to meet up again. And I hope you come out to my studio another time. In the meantime, the very, very best with the exhibition. I'm always amazed when I look at your profile on Instagram and Facebook, just how diverse and wonderful the different artworks are. So I can't wait to see what's on the online exhibition. And I wish you all the very, very best of luck.